Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. I just want to quickly talk to you about fitting new filters to a hot tub. Here you can see we've got a example of a hot tub which has had a clean. It's actually gone through a quick flush cycle using our Hydrospares hot tub system flush. And then we've actually, you can see it's quite shiny. We've given it a good clean with our surface spray and wipe using a microfiber cloth. As you can see, the results speak for themselves. So in order to replace your filters, we find most filters, like this hot tub, keep them housed in a handy little filter area. I'll just take the front off here so you can see them well. And here you can see two filters. This is what are the most common filters probably in the marketplace. We call them a cloud, and I'm going to talk to you quickly. As you can see, part of this clean now we're going to fit new ones. So first things first, let's take out the old ones. As you can see, they need replacing. This is a standard cloud filter. So what we're going to do, the customer's actually opted for replacing them with a cloud with a pod to help explain. Normally with this hot tub they have a floating spa dispenser which takes the chlorine tablets in and it floats around and dispenses chlorine into the water. But they have to take it out every time they use the hot tub. So by replacing it with our Cloud Plus filters, which you can see come in a nice handy box, really good for shipping, they actually get a dispenser and a filter all in one. So as you can see, here's the filter. I'm just going to open this up. There we go. And these actually come with a pod. And you can see the actual handle at the top is removable and comes with a pod as standard. So what I'm going to do is put the filter in. And then this is what we actually put the chlorine tablets in. And we do our own Hydrospares chlorine tablets, 20 gram. So what you do is you open up the lid. I've actually got a 5-litre tub over here which we use quite often. And we actually go and put the chlorine tablets in, one at a time, into this handy little holder. I won't go all the way, but you can fill that right up. Screw the lid back on. Now, it's important to note here that you can actually set the dispensing rate by turning. As you can see, the more you turn it, the more the holes open up. So I'm going to set it to minimum because we don't use this tub all that often. Put that in the handle, drop that into the lid of the filter in the right spot. Here we go, and that's in. We'll just now go and open up the other one because this one takes two. Now you don't need to put the tablets in both, just one. So you could technically buy one standard Cloud and one standard Cloud Plus filter. We've got two the same here at the minute. There you go. You also notice on these filters, they got the markings on the top. So there it says Hydrospares Cloud Plus and a part number on our website. The beauty of this is when you come to replace your filter, which you should do probably 2 to 3 times a year, it's easy to find. So that goes on there. Screw it back in. There we go. That's 2 new filters in, all ready to rock and roll. We're now ready to refill and get back to using the hot tub. Thanks for watching.